this is a thermistor problem. So for example, if you're to have given a problem that to get a beta, which is a material constant, and for B put into a circuit that will yield 1 volt when it is at 0 degrees C. And this is the graph. And from this graph, we can get these two data, or two sets of data, or for the temperature. So we get when temperature is at 0 degrees C, and this could when temperature is at 0 degrees C, the resistance is about 30 ohm, and this could be any other temperature on the graph, and we can get another temperature. So I'll just randomly choose negative 10 Celsius, and at negative 10 Celsius the resistance is at 50 ohm. And actually we need to use a Kelvin for thermistor. So it would be 273 Kelvin, and negative 10 Celsius would be 263 Kelvin. And we can put this number into this equation, and that's how we can get what beta is. So if you solve it out by plugging it in, so if I were to put the numbers in, R equal 50K, so 50,000, and R naught 30K times e to the power of beta 273 minus 263 Kelvin over 273 times 263, and we can get what beta is. And you can rearrange it so the beta equal this, and you can plug the number in, and then you should get something like 3,667. And once you have this, we can use it to make a circuit that will yield 1 volt when it is at 0 degrees C. And we use this formula, these numbers conveniently, so we can just make one right now. So if I assume that the V in is like 5 volts, so here it would be 30K. So this is a thermistor resistor, and at 0 degree Celsius is going to be at 30,000 ohm. And then here it's gonna, the resistance over here, the current over here, the voltage over here is going to be 5 volts. However, we only want 1 volt. So we can actually put an additional resistance over here, so that if you do the voltage divider rule and make it into a 1 volt. So we want 1 volt and we are supplied by 5 volt, so we want 1/5 of that. So we can make 30 times 4, so 120K. So that if you're to do a voltage dividing rule, so 120K plus 30K times 5 volt will give us 1/5 times 5 volt and equal to 1 volt. Or we can, even more simple way to do it is just supply with 1 volt and then just have the thermistor resistor, and it should give us a 1 volt at 0 degrees C.